sweet, top flow. Price got cheap, we just let them go. Whoa, watch my niggas spend 100K on the plane watch. Told him give me 10 more days, I'ma give me one.
Hey everybody! Kellen from Tatsu Gang here. I'm here with my brother, Connolly, who flew in from Boston the other night.
I did.
And we're gonna do the Warner Brothers studio tour. Now, the website says no videos, so I'm gonna have to feel out the situation. My suspicion is that I'm gonna be able to, I'm probably not gonna film while the tram's moving, but then there's a walkthrough part that I think I'll be able to do filming on, or at least a little bit. They have Batman in there.
Them's got them buttons.
That show sucks ass.
Do you know that Max Schreck, this character, he's named after the guy who played Nosferatu in the 20s original.
Okay. We've determined that the merch here is awesome.
They're cooking!
Bowzugu. Zaugugu.
Bazinga. David Zaslav, I'm gonna put you down.
We could not film on the thing, which is fine. It was lovely. A little slow compared to the Universal one. Paper. Paper.
Several Agent Smiths singing.
Well, it looks like dog. Look at Matrix.
Stupid.
Dude. Colin's gonna design his Batmobile. That's sick. Yeah.
I made the Batmobile.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Mama, they turned me into a mannequin, Mom.
Holy shit, iCarly. This is where they eat Bazinga lunch.
Bazinga.
This is where they eat Bazinga lunch. Yeah.
Take the story in.
Okay, pictures up. Get ready to record.
What's up? My name's Morpheus. You wanna go down to the Matrix with me? I think it would be pretty cool, buddy. I'm Morpheus.
Pictures up. Get ready to record.
Oh man. We got our pizza here. You can see my pepperoni is very normal colored. Doesn't look sick or anything. Huh?
You know that meme thing? Hey, your pizza here.
No. We have transitioned between buildings, not anything else. We got the Riddler. Oh, I hate this guy. Then we got from the real movie. Over here, Batman and Robin. Here we have the best Batmobile, sorry.
Oh my god, you're stupid. Free Palestine.
Yeah! Okay, this is actually the best Batmobile. I was just trying to say that the Dark Knight one's better than the 2022 one by like a tiny margin, but
You're wrong.
god damn it.
The Joker's loose.
Whoa! Best superhero, best movie.
If someone that wasn't Jason Momoa was wearing that suit, it'd be awesome.
Oh, fuck off. If we come back here in a couple years, it might be a different Superman. It might be the one you like.
Let's hope.
So if you guys haven't seen it, I recommend the movie Megalopolis. She's in that one. Connolly got through only half of it last night. It's bad. All right, guys, we got, I don't know, they still got this picture of Hitler up. I don't really understand it. unhand them. I didn't know this was here. If I knew this was here, I probably would have brought Matsview. They trapped him in there, and they have an IV that you can't see going up the back of his shirt, and it's feeding him paralyzing medicine so he can't scream for help. Don't know. Yeah, he's got an IED, and he's too scared to move. If he moves, it'll explode.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. Just and loyal. True.
Not
Yes,
true.
clearly. Hufflepuff. Ah, yes, a ready mind. You belong in Ravenclaw.
Yonk that, John. Oh my.
I don't get earmuffs on. I'm gonna faint like Neville.
Guys, we're in Newt's shed, guys. Newt's shed. Everyone's seen those movies, right? With Newt's shed. Connolly, what do you think of the tour?
Buzz Bunny,
Connolly, what do you think of the...
Tweety Bunny,
What do you think of the tour?
Daffy Bunny.
Connolly, what do you think of the tour?
They had the Batman.
Yeah.
And they also had the Newt.
Yeah, Newt's shed.
They had Newt's shed with all the creatures.
Yeah.
And we were in the car, and we had a quite lovely tour guide.
Yeah, she was good. We did have a minor incident where she was trying to like get out of a thin street, tight
6,000 points.
Yeah, but I would do the same thing. I'm not blaming her. I just thought it was humorous. No shade. I know she's watching this.
Yep.
Shout out.
Shout out Jen.
Yeah, shout out Jen for real. I felt though as if maybe the pace of the tour could have been heightened. I guess maybe it's smaller than Universal.
Yeah.
But it was really like we would just sit in one place for a long period of time, which doesn't really happen on the Universal one. So I still, for my money, the Universal one is better. I knew this one wouldn't have any motion simulator portions, but I mean, I don't really even like the motion simulator portions.
Universal one. Suck balls.
Hey,
cock and shit.
the King Kong one's okay.
Okay.
All right, everyone, it's later in the day. Colin, what did you think of the studio tour?
It was pretty cool. I liked our tour guide. There was Batman things.
Yeah. Well, we're in Vaughn's in Glendale.
Our last segment will be opening said cards.
All right, perfect. This is the real content. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. We're about to bust some packs. Okay, this is the ending. This is our ending segment.
Some of you guys may be aghast at my technique if you're a Pokemon card person, but I'm doing my best. Really, the technique is you're supposed to like hold the sides so that it doesn't scrape against the cards.
Oh, look at you.
Hear that sweet noise, that crinkle, sweet noise of money disappearing.
That's what it sounds like when I unstick my balls from the side of my leg.
Yeah, should we just give the card away, put it in the video?
I don't care.
Yeah, okay. There's that.
Someone might, either this won't get enough views for anyone to take it, or...
And then you put one to the front. I think I saw a little sparkle. But let's see, okay. Oh, I think I did see a little sparkle. Okay. Basic fighting energy. We got Applin. That's cute. We got Fletchling. That is an animal. Little bird. That's just an animal. We got Phalanx. Not a god pack, everybody, clearly. We got Fido.
Oh, it's 10, isn't it? Yeah.
I love him. Fido. He's bred and he's a dog. Fido.
I fuck with that heavy.
We got Koraidon. That's the one you ride like a bike in the new game.
Oh, hell yeah, I do.
We got Togedemaru. I like this art. It's like low poly.
Me too.
We got Veluza. Shark. We got Grubbin. Oh, a little reflective. We got Tortuga.
Also reflective. Very
Also
nice.
reflective.
Very nice.
Oh, Dreadnought, and it's a little hollow.
Yay.
I saw the sparkly, I was like, but clearly I was misinformed. I'll look up the prices of these, and Kellen could put it on the screen in editing.
Okay, yeah, it's gonna be like 3 cents, 7 cents.
Yeah.
8.5 cents.
This one, this one's a Lapras. I opened the other one first because it was this guy whose name I don't know. So I like this one more.
Oh my god.
Thumbs down, everybody. Discard this one. Oh, yeah. If you want that, go ahead and take it. And now, we turn it around. Basic fire energy.
Toad's cool. I agree. Toads are cool.
Mm-hmm. Milcery. Don't know what that one is.
Gross.
I see something back there. Marill.
You said that last time.
I know, I did say that last time. Rhyhorn. That's a cool one. Reshi. Oh, that's a cool art. Cool. We got Lapras next, but here's the. That's a cool art. Look at her. We got Lapras. I like him. We got Lacey. Alcremie. Okay, we got 2 more. We got Jirachi, a reflective guy, and Medicham EX. That's a cool one.
Well, I'll show it on the screen right now if it's worth dollars or not. I have a good feeling that it won't be.
It's probably going to be worth like $8.
Yeah. Well, thank you for viewing, everybody. Warner Bros. Tour, pretty cool. I'm not gonna do a review on this one. I just thought it'd be fun to vlog because it's not really a ride. But yeah, it was fun. Batman. Tatsu.